What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. On today's recess activity, Recess Beer Band was having fun together with their friend TB. Instagram post, Recess Beer Band got a cute photo of them and a short video clip that shows that they are enjoying throwing the paint in the wall. As you can see, the two are look so happy. Versus Beerban captioned it, just going for a walk in the meadow thing. Versus Beerban and Teddy, they look so cute in their outfit, wearing a yellow and green coverall while drawing a colorful paint in the wall. And guess, it makes you feel relaxed and happy. Today, on a Dex activity, Nadeko Gimea shows his beautiful kitchen of their new home. It was their first day of living in their home, and today, Nadek looked so cute expressing the hot weather in Thailand while he was on his way on his work. Then my couple is finally come back to the reality as a celebrity after their happy vacation.